In this video, we will explore the menu operations, including the right-click context menu, keyboard shortcuts, command status, and the status bar. Ensure the schematic is the focus document. Right-mouse click within the design space and observe the right-click menu. Left-click in open space to exit the menu pop-up. Select a component by left-mouse clicking on it, then perform a right-mouse click to observe the content of the right-click menu. You will notice that the right-click menu has changed. Like all menus in Altium Designer, the right-click menu is context-sensitive and will only show relevant commands based on whatever object is selected. If other objects are selected, the right-click menu will change to reflect the context of the selected object. Now let's explore keyboard shortcuts in Altium Designer. Exploring the menu along the top of the window, some letters are underlined. These underlined letters in the menu bar are the shortcut keys for that menu. For example, with the schematic in focus, access the File menu directly by pressing the F key. The File menu opens at the location of the cursor. Click in open space to close the menu. Press the T key to open the Tools menu. Press the C key to open the Projects menu. Observe that there are further underlined letters within these menu commands. These represent another keyboard shortcut. Pressing the F key to open the File menu, go ahead and press the S key to save the document. When exploring and using keyboard shortcuts, search for the underlined letter within the menus to discover the shortcut keys to help expedite your work process. Now we will explore the command status and the status bar. From the View menu, locate the command status and status bar entries. If there are no check marks to the left of these entries, left-click to enable these views. The command status and status bar are located in the bottom left of the window. Moving the cursor within the design space, notice that the X and Y coordinates change within the status bar. The current grid size is also shown in the status bar. The bottom right corner of the status bar has a panel button which allows us quick access to our panels. The command status shows the active command. Currently it is idle as we do not have any commands active. If we place a wire by selecting Place, Wire, or using the keyboard shortcuts P, W, notice that the command status now shows that we are in the Place Wire command. Press the Escape key or right-click to exit the command. Finally, in the top left corner is the Quick Access bar. This includes Save, Save All, Undo, Redo, and may also include folder options as well. In this video, we explored the menu options, right-click context menus, keyboard shortcuts, command status, and the status bar.